bit before.
Advice for being 23? Yeah, it's not that different, just that you eventually come to a realization that you're only going to get older from here, and yeah, that is a bit weird to deal with, but apart from that, it's all good. You're still in your 20s, so life is not that bad.
So I thought I needed. So I thought I needed.
Today is the 8th of May, or, as I know it, my birthday.
I love both of these cards. This is the one that my mum got me, and I think I've become an Avenger. When duty calls, it's time to celebrate. And this one is so cool. It is your birthday. I am ecstatic. That is Captain Raymond Holt from Brooklyn Nine-Nine, one of my favourite characters. And that is me as a baby. Yeah.
So, at 7:20 in the morning in 1990... What the hell was that? At 7:20 in the morning in 1998, I was born! Was probably also the last time I had some proper good sleep as well. But despite everything, I'm 23 now, officially. I mean, it's currently 11:32, and yeah, hours ago I turned 23 while I was sleeping. And yeah, feels good. Feels really good being 23. I feel like with age comes wisdom, and certainly turning 23, I feel more wise. I don't really know. No, I just feel older. Yeah. Today is kind of going to be a bit of a low-key, kind of chilled out day with a birthday vlog integrated into it. So I can't really complain. It's going to be a great one. I mean, outside it looks absolutely awful. It's raining, but I actually do like the rain. So despite the weather, I'm still going to enjoy today. You know what the best thing is about ordering a lot of pizza? Is that you can enjoy it the next day. About to go out for a walk to our lovely picturesque meadows area. Might be raining out there. I got a hood, so it's not going to spoil any fun. I'm going to do it in...
Hey. Hiya.
Earlier on I watched the Falcon and the Winter Soldier series again, as of course I have watched it before, and decided to watch it again this weekend for my birthday weekend because why not? Thoroughly enjoyed it, and I love
Falcon as Captain America. He is brilliant. There is supposed to be a Captain America 4 with him being the main character, and I can't wait to see that, hopefully, if it does come out. And yeah, such a great series. Also got to talk to one of my close friends from home, and it was nice talking to him again after so long, after a year or so. And you know what, this birthday so far has been really chilled out and laid back, and I've been loving it. So, I got a new speaker for my birthday, and I'm gonna test it out and see how good it really is, because I've always wanted to have a little portable speaker to listen to my music, because I love listening to music, and I've seen reviews of this specific speaker. I want to see how good it really is. Hopefully soon I'll be eating some chicken biryani, which is one of my favourite dishes, and I can't wait to eat that. Time for round 2. Just finished dinner. The chicken biryani was delicious. Huge thanks to my mum for making incredible food as always. I think it's that time of day where it's time to change into something more comfortable. That's better. I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who has wished me a happy birthday and has made my day feel very special. I really appreciate all the love and support you guys have given me. I really have appreciated all of the lovely messages I've received all day. It truly did have an impact on my day and made me feel special and loved. It really does mean a lot, these lovely, thoughtful words. It does have an impact on people's days when you give them these kind, positive words. Really makes them feel happy, and I feel like as human beings we should be doing that more often, not just on birthdays but any or every day. I've had a lot of fun today. I've really enjoyed today, every single minute. We're now coming to the end of the day more or less, and for the rest of this evening I'm just gonna sit back and relax and chill out and probably watch a film and then head off to bed later on. And yeah, today has been a very good day.